Hey there, tech aficionados. Welcome back to the channel that's always on the pulse of innovation. Today, get ready to transform your humble abode into a futuristic oasis with our countdown of the top 10 must-have smart home gadgets for 2024. From seamless automation to cutting-edge security, these gadgets are sure to revolutionize your home living experience and optimize your energy bill. Please stick around to the end. And if you are interested in a more in-depth review on any of the devices, please leave me a comment. I will let you have information to help you in choosing the right gadgets. 1. Smart Thermostat. Revolutionizing home climate control. Say hello to the future of comfort with the Smart Thermostat. Take control of your home's temperature with precision accuracy and energy efficiency. Some recommended brand are the Nest, known for its learning capabilities and sleek design. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium offers remote sensors and is often praised for its extensive smart home integration. Honeywell, known for a wide range of models catering to different needs and budgets with strong reliability. Pros, learning capabilities, customizable schedules and remote access for ultimate convenience. Precise temperature control, energy efficiency integration with smart home ecosystems, enhanced reporting and insights compatibility with voice assistants. The con: smart thermostats are pricier, trickier to install, and rely on tech that might not always work. You might also have security concerns and compatibility issues. Initial costs purchase price. Smart thermostats typically range in price depending on the brand, model, and features. Higher-end models with advanced features like learning algorithms and extensive smart home integration will cost more. You might never want to leave the cozy embrace of your perfectly controlled environment. 2. AI-powered security camera systems. Next up, AI-powered security cameras. Keep a watchful eye on your home with AI-powered security camera systems. Advanced algorithms detect and alert you to potential threats, ensuring peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Simply safe. The Beacon 10-piece kit, $425.94. Best for comprehensive security. This kit boasts the most components, providing complete peace of mind. You'll have entry sensors for all your doors and windows, motion detectors for room coverage, and a siren to scare off intruders. Ring Alarm 8-piece kit with wired doorbell and stick-up cam, $299.99. Best value. This mid-range kit offers a great balance between affordability and features. You get the essential entry sensors, a siren, and a doorbell for visitor screening. The stick-up cam adds an extra layer of security by letting you monitor outside your home. Ring Alarm 5-piece kit with doorbell and indoor cam, $229.99. Best for budget-conscious security. This starter kit is perfect if you're on a tight budget but still want some basic protection. The doorbell lets you see who's at your door, while the indoor camera allows you to keep an eye on things inside when you're away. You can easily expand this system later with additional components. Pros: high-definition video quality and intelligent motion tracking. The con: you might become addicted to checking your camera feed for any suspicious activity. 3. Voice-activated smart speakers. Introducing your new virtual assistant, voice-activated smart speakers. From playing your favorite tunes to controlling other smart devices with just your voice, these speakers are a game changer. Sonos Era 100. Best smart speaker, compact and powerful, the Sonos Era 100 offers superior audio quality, especially when tuned with the iPhone app. It supports major streaming services like Spotify and Pandora. Ideal for multi-room audio setups and easy integration with Sonos soundbars for home theaters. Echo Studio, runner-up best smart speaker. The Echo Studio, priced at $200, delivers top-notch sound with Dolby Atmos and spatial audio processing. It features enhanced mid-range clarity, deeper bass, and a built-in smart home hub. Perfect for Alexa users, it pairs well with Fire TV devices for an excellent home theater experience. Available in charcoal. Google Nest Audio, the smart assistant powerhouse. Google Nest Audio offers powerful sound and seamless integration with Google Assistant. It delivers rich audio with strong bass, clear vocals, and room-filling sound. Perfect for smart home control and streaming your favorite music services. ideal for those seeking a high-quality, voice-controlled speaker. Pros include seamless integration with your smart home ecosystem and crystal clear sound. The con: you might find yourself having full-blown conversations with your AI assistant. 4. Smart lighting systems with customizable features. Set the perfect ambience for any occasion with smart lighting systems. Customize colors, brightness levels, and schedules to suit your mood and lifestyle. Philips Hue. Most variety in bulb types, color, white ambience, strips, outdoor, and works with all major voice assistants. Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, Samsung SmartThings. Requires a hub for most bulbs and can be pricier. Lifix, extensive color changing options and connects directly to Wi-Fi for many bulbs, no hub needed. Integrates with all the same voice assistants as Philips Hue. Color range might be slightly less than Hue and bulbs can be a bit more expensive. Pros: energy efficiency and compatibility with voice assistants. The con: you might spend hours experimenting with different lighting schemes. 5. Automated pet feeders for busy pet parents. For the pet parents on the go, meet your new best friend, automated pet feeders. Ensure your furry friends are always fed on time, even when you're not home. Pet safe, healthy pet. Simply Feed. Best overall reliable, easy to use automatic feeder that can be programmed for up to 12 meals a day. It has a 24-cup capacity and dispenses portion-controlled meals. Features a digital timer and battery backup. WooPet Automatic Pet Feeder. Best for large pets. Ideal for large dogs or multiple pets with a 7-litre capacity. Programmable for up to 4 meals a day with customizable portions. Includes a voice recorder for personalized messages. Petlibro Automatic Cat Feeder. Best Smart Feeder. Wi-Fi enabled feeder controllable via smartphone app. Allows remote scheduling, food level monitoring and meal dispensing. Features a built-in camera to check on your pet. Pros: customizable feeding schedules and portion control. The con: your pets might start associating the sound of the feeder with treat time. 6. Smart door locks for enhanced home security. Upgrade your home security with smart door locks. Say goodbye to keys and hello to secure, keyless entry controlled right from your smartphone. Lockly Secure Plus, touchscreen and remote access with built-in camera. Strength: offers a built-in camera for additional security, allowing you to see who's at your door remotely through your smartphone app. Features: features a touchscreen for easy PIN code entry and remote access for granting or managing codes. Integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control unlocking. Downsides: installation might be more complex compared to some other options. Lacks a fingerprint reader for biometric unlocking. Nest X Yale Lock. Seamless integration and easy monitoring. Strength: designed for seamless integration with Google Nest smart home systems. Offers convenient monitoring and control alongside other Nest devices. Features: provides keyless entry with smartphone PIN code or auto unlock when approaching with phone. Works with Google Assistant for voice control. Downsides: requires a separate Nest Connect hub to function. Limited selection of additional features compared to some competitors. Quickset Halo Touch, fingerprint recognition and modern design. Strength: provides a sleek and modern design with fingerprint recognition for convenient and secure keyless entry. Features: offers traditional key backup and smartphone app access for remote locking, unlocking. Integrates with popular smart home systems like Alexa and Ring. Downsides: installation might require professional assistance for some door types. Lacks features like built-in cameras or auto unlock. Pros overall include customizable access permissions and activity logs. The con: you might need a backup plan in case your phone battery dies. 7. Wireless charging stations for multiple devices. Keep all your devices powered up and ready to go with wireless charging stations. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to clutter-free countertops. Anker 637 Magnetic Desktop. Charging station. Offers a magnetic charging pad for iPhones and 7 additional ports for wired charging of laptops, tablets and other devices. The magnetic pad adjusts for comfortable phone viewing while charging. Belkin Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 wireless charging stand features a sleek design with dedicated charging pads for iPhones, Apple Watches and AirPods. The stand allows for easy phone viewing while charging. Mophie 3-in-1 travel charger, compact and portable, perfect for travel. Charges iPhones, Apple Watches and AirPods simultaneously. The wireless charging pad folds flat for easy storage and includes a wall plug for convenient charging. Pros: fast charging capabilities and sleek designs. The con? You might fight over who gets to use it first. 8. Smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Protect your home and loved ones with smart smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Receive instant alerts on your smartphone in case of emergencies, whether you're home or away. Nest Protect. Nest Protect detects both smoke and carbon monoxide, offering a comprehensive safety solution. Connects with your smartphone to send instant alerts in case of emergencies, even when you're away. Provides self-testing capabilities and integrates with other Nest Smart home devices. Kiddie Smart Smoke plus carbon monoxide alarm. A budget-friendly option that offers dual smoke and carbon monoxide detection. Connects with your smartphone for real-time alerts and allows silencing false alarms remotely. Works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. First Alert One Link Safe and Sound. This feature-rich detector combines smoke and carbon monoxide monitoring with a built-in Alexa speaker. Listen to music, control smart home devices, and receive spoken safety alerts, all from one unit. Offers Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone alerts and remote management. Pros include self-testing functionality and long-lasting battery life. The con? You might become overly cautious every time you burn toast. 9. Energy-efficient smart appliances. Make a sustainable choice with energy-efficient smart appliances. From refrigerators to washing machines, these appliances optimize energy usage without sacrificing performance. Samsung Family Hub. Refrigerator RF28 A500 AAP. This refrigerator boasts a spacious interior with efficient LED lighting. It features a smart touchscreen that lets you monitor temperature, adjust settings, and even see what's inside without opening the door, reducing wasted cool air. Plus, it allows you to connect with grocery delivery services and manage your shopping list. LG WM 3900 HVA Smart Washer. This high-efficiency washing machine uses sensors to adjust water levels and cycle times based on the size of your load, saving water and energy. It also offers Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to remotely start or monitor your laundry and receive notifications when a cycle is finished. Nest Learning Thermostat. This popular smart thermostat learns your heating and cooling preferences and creates personalized schedules to optimize comfort and energy savings. It can also be controlled remotely through your smartphone and integrates with other smart home devices for a unified system. Pros? Cost savings on your energy bills and remote control capabilities. The con? You might feel guilty every time you run a non-smart appliance. 10. Home water leak detection systems. Prevent costly water damage with home water leak detection systems. Receive real-time alerts at the first sign of a leak, helping you avoid disaster before it strikes. Mow and Flow Smart Shutoff Hero places sensors around your home to detect leaks and automatically cuts the main water supply if one is found, minimizing potential damage. Also, sends real-time alerts to your phone and lets you monitor water usage. Ring Alarm Flood and Freeze Sensor. Plays well with others. Works with existing Ring Alarm security systems. Sensors placed near water sources detect leaks and trigger alerts through the Ring app for quick response. Perfect if you already have Ring Alarm. YoLink Water Leak Sensor and Hub expands to fit your needs. Uses a central hub to connect multiple sensors placed around your home for comprehensive leak detection. Offers long-range connectivity and lets you add more sensors for customized coverage. Ideal for larger houses. Pros? Peace of mind and potential savings on insurance premiums. The con? You might become hyper-aware of every drip and drop in your home. And that's a wrap on the top 10 must-have smart home gadgets for 2024. Which of these innovative gadgets are you excited to add to your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more cutting-edge tech reviews. Stay tuned, stay connected, and keep ahead of the curve. See you next time.